to the Momo room, rocking and rolling. Charlie just updated us on all the news that's out that could possibly be affecting the market. Citrix back up here to this 93 level. Let's see if it can get above it. Roku, as Charlie mentioned, is dumping. Our stop currently for Roku is at 135.33. So we have all of the possible profit that we can take on Roku locked in currently. Let's see if it bounces. Let's see if Roku bounces. And we have hit our first target in Roku of 140.43, and then our second target is going to be 147.11. So we still have some upside, hopefully, left in Roku. The high of Roku, the 52-week high, is around 142. So